you talking my game, yet I take it solemnly, seriously. My vicariously vigorous lyrics are prophecies. Uphold the torch with just immortal thoughts. You can't get caught with these tongues shaped like forks. They only wanna gain control by stealing your soul. Burning, we ain't living right, damn it, we live by a code, and that's human. All of us, not one set person controls the universe. Long live the gods. The stuff that can bring unification, manifestations of worldwide assimilation. A divine action full of purpose. I know now nothing can hurt us. I am my brother's keeper, corrupt and non-believer. Sworn to have you in my corner. Alive, I born ready for any order. Wise at heart, facing and setting to the dawn of a righteous spark. A new era, where the present throne keeper meets the grim reaper. Speaks of things deeper. I am my brother's keeper. I am my brother's keeper. The pen and pad to save my people, but lies ahead is a danger which is very lethal. I'm speaking truth on a universal plateau. Rocks break when I speak deep, I rap slow. That's how it is when you're dealing with these elements. Ignorance makes me wanna say the hell with it. I carry on with the light bright in my hand. Shine the way to the path of the promised land. Stand strong. New era, where the present throne keeper meets the grim reaper. Speaks of things deeper. I am my brother's keeper. Where the present throne keeper meets the grim reaper. Speaks of things deeper. I am my brother's keeper. I am my brother's keeper.
We're in a time with short lives, living at a fast pace. Iller than haste, revealing our fate in front of our face.
I'm feeling like killing, cause everybody wants to make a million, and nobody's concerned about the children.
I'm willing to lay down my life, fight for my people. Say what I like, ignite, strike for the credo. The doctrine of the spiritual law.